Drew and I actually met long before, believe it or not, those two met. 7th grade, actually. Fast forward a few years, Rachel had come to me and said, "I'm dating someone you graduated with." I was ready to throw some fists, not happy. But then she said Drew's name, and a sense of relief came over me. And lo and behold, 14 years later, I was right. I remember the night she called me to tell me they were engaged. They were out of town. So when I saw Rachel calling, I thought either there's big trouble or something big is happening. Instant tears came to my eyes when she said, "Guess what?" Because I knew we could finally make Drew permanent family.
When you talk about two people that have been together for so long, I don't think of it as finally they did it. I think of it as this was the time. This was the right time. You're exactly where you're supposed to be.
You are my best friend. You're kind, loving, intelligent, giving, and handsome.
Yep.
I wouldn't want to go on any of the ventures, big or small, with anyone else.
I'll gladly follow you across the planet, up and down mountains, share a swim with you and your sharks, and adventure anywhere you want to go. But I will always find just as much joy in sitting next to you on the couch and watching an episode of The Simpsons that we've seen a dozen times before.
So we're back to where we started. So dancing in the garden.
Your laugh and your smile are two of my favorite things, and I will never stop trying to make you laugh, especially when you need it most. I'm gonna turn to the right. All right, go. Pretty good. That's so good.
For someone who has loved Rachel her whole life, thank you for loving her so well. I can't imagine two people more perfect for each other.
So today, I vow to trust and value your opinion. I promise to always strive to meet your needs, not out of obligation, but because it delights me to see you happy.
Your challenges are mine, my successes are yours. These vows will be my most important work in life, but they are also my profound privilege. So, thank you for giving me the rest of your life to fulfill them.
I promise to laugh at all your jokes, even the bad ones. Especially the bad ones. I promise to be on the same team as we blaze new trails both in our backyard and through life. I could go on and on, but I think this list of vows is a living document that changes and grows each day with us. So I promise to work with you every day to understand what we need to do to continue to fulfill our wildest dreams.
But I'm just very, very happy in my heart to say that
That's the power.
you're a husband and wife and husband, and I think you can please kiss and everybody can clap.